Keep your heart, 3 stacks. Keep your heart. Hey, keep your heart, 3 stacks. Keep your heart. Man, these girls are smart, 3 stacks. These girls are smart. Play your part. Play your part.
To choose it, lover, never without a never in the sheets like it on top of the cover. Money on the dresser, drive a compressor, top notch. Get the most, not the lesser. Trash like the $40 in the club. And up the game.
Hey my lovies, I'm coming to you with a quick unbagging. This bagging is brought to you, well, this item is brought to you by Buitifo, I think it's pronounced, by Christina. Thank you so much, Christina, for reaching out to me and sending me this item to show my lovies on my channel. You can purchase this item from Amazon.com. The information will be down below in the description box for y'all to check out. So, it came packaged up very well in here, and she has her beautiful logo on the baggie. And then this is a lingerie piece. So if you're not into that, you can just click off. So the first thing we have are the underwear, which are these here. And I got a size, I think it's considered 2X on the site, but I will stress that these pieces do run small, especially for a full figure woman such as myself. So I do not really recommend this for very full figure woman. So this is where I will show you what the 2X looks like. It's very, very pretty though, and you can tell that it is very well made. And here is the tag here. Very pretty logo and branding. So it looks like this. And I will insert pictures so you can get a better look of what it looks like on the model. So I will insert pictures in this video. But it looks like this. And then the back looks like this. It somewhat stretches. It does have a little stretch to it because of the elastic here. So it does stretch out some. But as far as, I don't know, it may or may not fit me. I have not tried it on, so I don't know for sure. And what you know is a lingerie piece. Lingerie, I mean, you're not wearing it out, so it don't have to be but so neat, you know. So a little bit about the company. On Amazon, they are rated 5 stars. And like I said, you can get this. The sizes are from small to 2X. They do have the measurements on the actual listing for this product. So do make sure that you read the measurements before you purchase. I stress reading the measurements before you purchase this item because, like I said, it does run small. It also comes in other colors, 4 other colors actually, which are blue, a very, very pretty green. It's kind of like an emerald green kind of. They also have pink, and they also have a beautiful red color. I was having a hard time trying to decide between the red and the black, but I just love, black is one of my favorite colors, and I just love it. But like I said, it is made very, very well. It looks like a close-up of the lace looks like this. As price-wise, it is $11.98, which I feel is very, very reasonable for this because it's gorgeous. It is very, very, you can just tell by feeling the fabric that it is just not going to fall apart. I mean, I said fall apart. Not going to fall apart or anything like that. So yeah, the underwear, I'm positive I can fit these because as you can see, it's a lot of give with the underwear. But the top part, I am going to have to try, but it's a big possibility that I can fit it. As far as some other pieces that she has, on her Amazon store. She's a new seller as well, y'all, but so definitely go over and support. Shipping was super fast. Shipping did not take long at all, and I'm also an Amazon Prime member, so that does speed up shipping greatly. And as far as price wise, you save a lot of money through Amazon Prime as well. But she also offers some other lingerie pieces on her site, well, on her Amazon store. She offers bralettes, and she offers a few cotton graphic tees on her store as well. And as far as these pieces, if you are interested in the black, as far as sizing, I don't know how many in particular sizing, but I know that when I did check back on her on the Amazon store, they only have 5 pieces left in the black color. So if you're interested in the black, do run over and check out the Amazon store. So yeah, and as you can see, Mr. Loyal right here. But yeah, say hi, Loyal. Hi. So yeah, wanted to come on here and bring you all this beautiful, beautiful piece. Once again, thank you so much, Christina, for sending me this item. And you lovies, I will leave in the comment section as far as fit as well. But do try this. Do go and check out this item on Amazon. I will have everything in the description box. Yeah. Hope you lovers enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Do share, tell a friend to tell a friend, and I will see you babes in the next video. So